Good morning, students. Now it's just second year math, and we are doing that is revision classes. Now, derivative differentiation. We have done last day, that is continuity. Continuity means if a graph, that is y is equal to fx, if it is graph is continuous, that is no break at that point, is called continuous graph. And there is a formula, what, limit fx x tends to a is equal to fa, then we can say f is continuous at x equal to a. So today we, on the basis of limit, we will again discuss about derivative or differentiation. Now you have learned the derivative in maths also, physics also. Then if I ask what is derivative, I found 99% they are silent. They cannot say these things. Some they are just they have learned it is a rate of change of something they are telling. But actual meaning is what? That now I am going to explain that what is the actual meaning of derivative. Okay, let's see what it is. Y equal to fx means y is a variable, depends on the variable x. So x can be called as independent variable. Y is what? Dependent variable, as y depends on the values of x. So it may be like that x cube plus twice x minus 5. So y may be this. So x we have the liberty to put anything, that's why it is independent. Y fully depends on the values of x. Now as it is x and y, so we can draw the graph of this one also. Now suppose x has a value 2, then we have increased this value by suppose 0.1. What we have done? X we have increased. Suppose for that value here, just I am taking roughly, it is what? 8, 4 minus 5, that is, it is 7. What? For x is equal to 2, y is 7. But for 2.1, it is what? Suppose it is 7.1. It is roughly I have said. Now see that I have increased the, suppose it is 0.1. So x from 2 we have increased, then y also increased. So there is a change in x. We have changed, we have added something on x, and for this we found that what the value of y, it is also changed, new values. It is 7.01. Earlier for 2 it is 7. So of course there is a change of y, change of x is there. That to ratio, if we write y's change divided by x change, this ratio can be called as derivative of this variable y with respect to this variable x. So what we have learned, that derivative is what? That is, it is the ratio of change of dependent variable with respect to the very small change or increment of independent variable. independent variable. So what we can say, that is change of one variable with respect to that one. For that independent variable also increasing. For that increase, what the change in this one, that two ratio is called our derivative. Suppose x has value a. Then for that this x is equal to a, y is suppose fa. If I increase x by a plus h is a little bit bigger than this one, then fa will be also like that. So change of y is what? A plus h minus fa. This is the change of y divided by change of x, a plus h minus a. This two will cancel and ultimately we will get this. Then if we give a limit h tends to 0, that is our what? Derivative of y with respect to x. If we put here x, then it will be this one. So what we get? dy dx, we can write change of y. Change of y, how can say? The x, if we increase by h, then fx also will be changed. That change divided by change in x, that ratio is called derivative. And this has a special name called first principle. Then we have to learn so many formulas are here. That formula, that first is, it is what? Differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x, n x to the power n minus 1. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Differentiation of log x with respect to x is x. Sorry, 1 by x. Differentiation of a to the power x, that is a to the power x log a with respect to base e. Differentiation of sin x with respect to x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x with respect to x is sec square x. Differentiation of cot x with respect to x is minus cos x square x. Differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Differentiation of cosec x with respect to x is minus cot x cosec x. So after that, more formula is there. So I want to write little bit. Differentiation of sin inverse x with respect to x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cos inverse x with respect to x is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Then differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then we can write differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sec inverse x is 1 by root over x, 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. Cosec inverse is equal to derivative of our minus 1 by x root over x square minus 1. That two formula also I want to write here. So if we write these things, then it will be differentiation of cot inverse x with respect to x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sec inverse x with respect to x is 1 by x root over x square minus 1. And differentiation of cosec inverse x with respect to x is minus 1 by x root over x square minus 1. So we know this, all these formula, all these things you have already done. Then other thing also you have to remember, that is some addition formula, some product formula, that is Leibniz formula, that's also you have to learn. Okay, so next day we do the sum. Just you remind this formula. Your homework I want to give, that is, suppose if I give differentiation of only one sum, just you have to check that whether you are doing or not. X square plus 2x plus 1. What is the value of this differentiation? That I want that everybody should do and submit to me. If you submit, then I will give attendance, otherwise I will not give attendance. That much for today.